Hello students, today we are going to learn an important topic from 7th class general science, that is a respiration. Now we are learning about breathing. So the process by which air goes in and out of our body is called breathing. In this process, breathing in air is called inspiration or inhalation, and breathing out air is called expiration or exhalation. Look at this picture. Breathing in air is called inspiration. This is also called a inhalation. And look at this picture. Breathing out air is called expiration or exhalation. Students, moisture present in our breath. Do you know moisture present in our breath? Yes. Take a mirror, clean with cloth or tissue paper, blow the air through the mouth on the surface of the mirror. We found the moisture on the surface of the mirror. So look at this picture. If we blow the air through the mouth on the surface of the mirror, we find the moisture on the surface of the mirror. So we find that moisture is present in our breath. What does inhaled air contains? Air is a mixture of several gases, not only oxygen and carbon dioxide. There are other gases as well. Take a test tube, fill with the lime water and insert a straw and blow the air with the mouth. The lime water color changes into milk white color. It indicates that exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. So students, look at this picture. We take a test tube and fill with lime water and pass the air through the straw. It turns into milk white color. So this indicates that inhaled air contains carbon dioxide. Composition of air. The quantity of gases in every 1000 ml of inhaled and exhaled air is given below. So students, observe this table. In this table, there are three main type of gases we taken, that is oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen and other gases. So this is oxygen. Inhaled air contains 210 ml of oxygen and exhaled air contains 165 ml of oxygen. And if we take carbon dioxide, inhaled air contains 0.4 ml of carbon dioxide and exhaled air contains 40 ml of carbon dioxide. And third one, nitrogen. If we take nitrogen and other gases, inhaled air contains 790 ml of nitrogen and other gases. If we take exhaled air, in exhaled air, nitrogen and other gases quantity is 795 ml. So students, this is the quantity of gases in every 1000 ml of inhaled and exhaled air. Students, next topic, breathing in other animals. Now we are going to discuss about different respiratory organs in living organism. So first we study about fish. Students, do you know fish is a aquatic animal? Fish is a aquatic animal. On the both side of the fish of the head, a flap like structures we can see. So these flap like structures are called operculums. Below these operculum, there is a red color gills are present. So this is a red color gills. So these are respiratory organs in fishes. So look at this picture. This is a fish. On both sides of the fish, we observe there is a flap like structures. This is a flap like structures. So these flap like structures are called operculums. Below these flap like structures, there is a red color gills are present. Okay, these are red color gills. Water enter into the mouth and flows through the gills and comes out of the flaps. The gills absorb the oxygen which is dissolved in water. This oxygen carries to the different body parts. Okay, students, look at this picture. Water enter into the mouth. So in this process of breathing, water enter into the mouth and pass through the gills and moves to the outside. So in this process, the oxygen which is present in the water, that oxygen is absorbed by the gills. So students, next we are going to discuss about respiration in frog. Do you know frog is a amphibious animal? It lives on land and also lives in water, and even it lives in underground. On the land, frog breathe with lungs. If we take the frog, when it is live on land, it breathe like a human beings with lungs. Frogs భూమి మీద ఉన్నప్పుడు మనలాగే అవి లంగ్స్ను ఉపయోగించేవి బ్రీతింగ్ చేయటం జరుగుతుంది. During the summer and winter season, on frogs goes deep underground for sleeping. At this time, frog breathes with moist skin. So students, in every year during winter season and summer season, frogs enter into the deep layers of the soil. So at this time, frogs respiration takes place through the skin. Okay, so look here, this frog is goes into deep layers of the soil during winter season and summer season. At this time, these frog get the oxygen through these moisture skin. Students, baby frogs or tadpoles have a special respiratory organs like fishes called gills. If we take tadpole larvae of frog, they have a specialized respiratory organs that is called a gills. These gills helps that tadpoles to breathe in water and take the oxygen dissolved in water. So look this picture. This is a tadpole larva of frog. These are gills. Students, now we are going to learn about respiration in cockroach. Cockroach and other insects have a small openings on the sides of the body. These are called spiracles. These spiracles connected to the tube-like structures called trachea. Students, look here, this is a cockroach. If we observe the cockroach, on both sides of the body there is a small openings are present. So these openings are called spiracles. If we take another diagram, cockroach and all other insects, they have a openings on both sides of the body. In each segment there are a pair of openings are present. These openings are called spiracles. So these all are spiracles. These spiracles connected to the tube-like structures, so they are called trachea. So these are tube-like structures. These spiracles connected to the tube-like structures called trachea. Students, now we are going to discuss about the respiration in earthworm. Do you know about earthworm? Look at this picture. This is a earthworm. Earthworm breathes through the skin. The skin of the earthworm is moist and minute holes. Through the skin, air passes in and out. Earthworm breathes through its whole body surface. Okay, students, look at this picture. This is a earthworm. The surface of the earthworm's body is very thin. The surface of the body of earthworm is very thin and moisture, and there are so many openings present on the skin. So in earthworm, respiration takes place through the skin. So earthworm breathes through its whole body surface. Okay, now we are going to study about the respiration in plants. Plants have a stomata present on the surface of the leaves and lenticels present on the stems. Gases exchange takes place through these stomata and lenticels. If we observe the surface of the leaf, there are so many minute openings are present on the surface of the leaf. For example, we take a leaf, this is a stem, we take a leaf. On the surface of the leaf, there are so many minute openings are present. So these minute openings are called stomata. So these are stomata. And also if we observe the surface of the stem, there are minute openings are present on the stem also. Okay, students, these openings which is present on the stem, they are called lenticels. So this is a lenticels. These are lenticels. Students, observe these both pictures. This is a stomata which is present on the minute openings of the leaf, and these are minute openings which is present on the stem. Okay, so in plants, gases exchange takes place through the stomata and lenticels. Okay, stomata is present on the surface of the leaf and lenticels which is present on the surface of the stem. So gases exchange takes place through these stomata and lenticels. The oxygen which is present in the atmosphere, that oxygen is enter into the leaf through the stomata during respiration process. And also the carbon dioxide which is produced by the cells, that carbon dioxide is also moves to the outside through these stomata in respiration process. Okay, so students, finally we learnt about the respiration in plants. That is, plants have a small openings which is present on the surface of the leaf, that is called a stomata, and the openings which is present on the stem, that is called a lenticels. Students, did you understand the topic? If yes, now answer the questions. So the first question is, what is breathing? And second one is, what is inhalation and exhalation? And third one, which gas converts the lime water into milk white color? And fourth question is, what are the respiratory organs in cockroach? And fifth question is, how the gases exchange takes place in plants? And sixth question is, what are the respiratory organs in fishes? Okay, students, that's all for today. We will meet soon with one more interesting topic. Thank you.